Okay, let's look at an example of a direct materials budget. This says the Bakery by the Bay produces organic bread that is sold by the loaf. Each loaf requires a half a pound of flour. The bakery pays $2 per pound of the organic flour used in its loaves. The bakery expects to produce the following number of loaves in each of the upcoming 4 months. So this would come from our production budget. The bakery has a policy that it will have 10% of the following month's flour needs on hand at the end of each month. At the end of June, there were 100 pounds of flour on hand. Prepare the direct materials budget for the third quarter. Okay, so let's go ahead. Units to be produced. Well, that's given to us, so we just need to plug that in. 1460 in July, 1920 in August, 1760 in September. Add that all together, we get 5140 for the quarter. We don't need October's just yet. Now the quantity of direct materials needed per pound. Well, it says each loaf uses a half a pound of flour, so we'll put 0.5. So if we need a half a pound, that means we need 1360 times 0.5 or divided by 2. That means we need 730 pounds in July, 960 pounds of flour in August, 880 pounds of flour in September, and 2570 altogether. Desired ending inventory. Well, desired ending inventory, they said 10% of the following month's flour needs. So if we need 960 in August, that means we're going to get 96 pounds we need on hand at the end of July. 10% of the 960 will be 96. And we'll do the same for here. That'll be 88. And now we need 10% of October. But remember though that we're only doing half. So first we would have to multiply this times 0.5, which is 740, and then take 10% of that, which is 74. That will be now my September desired ending inventory, and we will end with 74. The pounds, let's see, total pounds needed. Okay, so we're going to add these two numbers together. 730 plus 96 means we need 826 pounds in July. Do the same thing here. 960 plus 88 is 1048. Make that a little more legible. 954 if we add the 880 and the 74. And here we need 2644. Okay, we're getting close. Beginning inventory of direct materials. But beginning inventory, well, they tell us they had 100 pounds on hand, which means that we need to purchase 726. That will be the 826 minus the 100. Let me just put a multiplies here. 726, and we'll do that for all of these now. Remember, my previous ending inventory, previous month's ending, will become my beginning of the following month. So 88 will become my beginning inventory for September, since it was my ending inventory for August. And now we can again do the math. It means I need 952. If I take 1048 minus 96, and 954 minus 88 is 866. And then we started the quarter with 100 pounds on hand. It's 2544. Okay, we're getting close. Cost per pound. Cost per pound, let's see, is $2 per pound. So we're going to multiply it all times 2. So the cost of direct materials to be purchased in July is $14.52. In August will be $19.04. In September, $17.32. Again, we're just multiplying 2 times the quantity that needs to be purchased. $25.44 times 2 is $5,088, and that's it.